Okay, if you've been online at all recently, you've probably seen it.
Oh, yeah.
That color-changing foundation roll-on, it's just completely dominating social media feeds, pitched as this amazing K-beauty breakthrough.
Totally. And the promises are huge, right?
Ah.
We're talking perfect shade matching, like for everyone.
Uh-huh.
Plus 12-hour wear, brightening, hydration, and oh yeah, that big SPF 50 claim.
Right. So our mission today, let's really dig into the sources we found. Is this thing actually innovative, or is it just, really good marketing hype?
Let's find out. Where should we start? The color adapting.
Yeah, let's start there. That's the main hook, isn't it? The whole reason it went viral.
It is. But the sources, they kind of dismantle that idea pretty quickly.
So it's not some kind of high-tech chemistry?
No, not really. It seems much simpler. Basically, it looks like there are these tiny white pigment capsules inside.
Okay.
And when you roll the foundation on, those capsules just break open.
Ah, and they mix with
Okay.
whatever else is in there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that whatever else is just a standard, often kind of cheap, beige or maybe tan base formula.
So it doesn't analyze your skin tone or anything fancy like that?
Not at all. It just turns beige. It's more of a gimmick, really.
Okay, and the big problem for you, the listener, is that this one-size-fits-all beige, well, it doesn't fit all.
Right. Our reports show it fails badly for people on the ends of the skin tone spectrum.
So if you're really fair,
Yeah.
or have a deeper complexion.
Yeah. It ends up looking, patchy, sometimes grayish, or just wrong. Definitely not that seamless match they promise in the ads.
Wow, okay, so the color matching is a bust, but what about the safety? That SPF 50 claim is a big deal.
It is. And honestly, this part is maybe more concerning.
Did we find any proof, like lab tests, dermatologist backing, anything?
Zero. Absolutely nothing concrete we looked.
Not good. SPF 50 is a regulated health claim. You can't just slap that on a label.
Exactly. And the takeaway for you here is pretty stark. Without verified testing, that SPF 50 number means basically nothing.
So you think you're protected, but you might be getting hardly any actual sun defense.
Precisely. It's potentially risky. And the reason they can likely get away with this, well, it ties into how the product is actually sourced.
Okay, let's get into that. This is where it gets really interesting, right? The aha moment.
Yeah, because this product, marketed as this like premium K-beauty thing, it's
Mhm.
actually just a cheap drop ship item.
Wait, really? Like the same stuff you see on Alibaba or Temu?
The exact same stuff. We found identical formulations, the packaging, even that specific roller applicator.
For how much?
A few dollars, usually.
Wholesale.
A few dollars, and they're selling it for, what, 30, 40 bucks sometimes?
Uh-huh. It's classic white labeling. They buy it cheap, slap their brand on it, and mark it way up.
And drop shipping means they don't even handle the product themselves, right?
Correct. They place an order with the supplier in China or wherever, and it ships directly to you. Zero quality control on their end.
That explains a lot. And I guess that huge markup pays for all those ads we're seeing. Totally. It funds that really aggressive marketing push. We're talking fake countdown timers.
Oh, I've seen those. They just reset when you refresh the page.
Exactly. Constant buy one, get one free deals, probably to shift stock quickly. And citing these, like, random statistics,
Like 94% saw all-day coverage.
yeah, with absolutely no data or studies cited. Just made-up numbers. It's all high-pressure tactics.
Okay, so let's pull this all together for everyone listening. What we've uncovered is, well, it's kind of a classic case study, isn't it?
It really is. You've got a low-quality, mass-produced foundation.
Rebranded to look like a fancy import.
Yep. Then pushed hard using sophisticated social media ads and pretty manipulative sales tactics.
And it all misrepresents how it works, who it works for, and crucially, the safety aspect with that SPF claim. It's basically marketing over matter. Zero real innovation here.
Absolutely. Which leads us to, I think, a really interesting final thought for you to consider. Well, if cheap drop-shipped products like this, with totally unverified claims, can be successfully marketed as luxury innovations just through hype and aggressive online tactics,
Yeah.
what does that say about how much hype itself determines the perceived value of, well, almost any product you buy today?
Yeah.
Something to think about next time a miracle product pops up in your feed.